All right, this is the Live Earth Humate soil conditioner. Not going to go into what soil conditioner is because I'm not an expert on it. I'll tell you what I got it for though in a minute. I just want to show you how it arrived. I got the 15-pound version of it, and it arrives in 3 5-pound bags. This box is about 11 by 9 by 5 inches, just so you know. You get 3 bags inside of here. It's got iron, sulfur, and 45% humate in here. Let's take a look at this stuff. See what it looks like in here. Nice little bag, resealable bag. That's nice. They say this stuff is safe for kids and pets, according to them. This is mined in Utah, and it's supposed to improve soil conditions. As you can see, it's wintertime here, and my yard is about 1,000 square foot total. They say that 15 to 25 pounds is what you should use for a 1,000 square foot yard, according to the instructions on here. I think there's going to be different amounts that you could use depending on what you're using it for. Are you getting ready to lay down sod? You might want to use more, just follow the instructions. So I live in an area that's literally called red clay. So all the soil that I have, where I've got my stuff planted in my backyard, it's clay. It's really compacted clay. One of the things I like about this is that it can be used at any time of the year. It's winter time now. My fig trees that I have gone into hibernation, so I figure it's a good time to lay down some of this and hopefully break up some of the clay that's underneath it here. I actually had to dig that fig tree out and completely clean the root system off and dig a bigger hole around it and replace some softer soil in there to get it to grow again this year. So I'm gonna lay it around in the areas where I'm gonna be planting, and hopefully this helps break up the soil. I'm probably not going to be digging up large areas in here. I don't know if I'll be able to compare this at a later point. I'm going to give it a shot, see how it works. I don't have a spreader. I'm just going to run it by hand. I'm probably going to use 1 bag of this right now down this side where I'm most concerned about. And then when springtime hits again, I'll probably use another bag up before everything starts growing. There you go, 1 bag down.